Hi, welcome to this Varasi video where I wanted to summarize for you the starting point of how we went about identifying the CRM needs for an online platform. Now, the methodology that we used consisted of three macro steps. First, mapping the customer's journey with the platform. And second, identifying gaps and improvement areas around such a journey. And third, architecting a solution leveraging the Salesforce platform, which is what we specialize in, to address these gaps and improvement areas. Now, the example that I'm using comes from an online learning platform and a learner's journey with the platform, but the ideas that I'm discussing here are pretty universal. The new customer or the returning customer likely is responding to a marketing message. This could be in the form of an email or let's say a promotion on a partner affiliate site or on a social media channel. They're responding to that, making an inquiry about a certain class or looking up the pricing for a certain class on your website, or maybe filling out a web form asking for more details, or this could be them calling in to your call center. Now, in the case of this particular learning platform, they then typically take a sample class for a limited period of time, at the end of which it either results in a purchase or not. If the customer does make a purchase of a class or a bundle of classes, they are then onboarded onto the platform. They then consume the content, take the classes, at the end of which they are given a test and they get a certificate of completion. Now, even though I'm drawing this last part out at the end of this chain, throughout this journey, they are likely accessing customer support or a tech support, or even a customer success team that they could be interacting with, which is tasked with ensuring that they are renewing their subscription and taking possibly more classes. After going through a lot more detail on each of these process steps, the conversation shifted to how do we improve this end-to-end journey, end-to-end experience that the customer is going through. And to facilitate the discussion on this topic, the questions, the prompters that we used were along the following lines. What are customers complaining about? Where are their frustrations? And on the flip side, what is your internal staff complaining about? What are they finding to be confusing and to be cumbersome? Where is the process broken? Where are the errors coming from? Where are the handoffs between process steps and where is it falling apart? And finally, what are the systems supporting these process steps? And is the data moving across these systems seamlessly? Are you entering the same data multiple times, or is your staff having to swivel chair across multiple systems for each of these process steps? Now, all of this discussion gave rise to a number of process improvement ideas, which were our first pointers to the CRM needs for this online platform. Hope you found this discussion useful and relevant for your own online platforms. Look forward to seeing you in more Varasi videos soon. Thank you.